I'm nervous.
I know. I like don't want to start driving because then it's real. Like, then the adventure begins.
All
right. The first movement.
Oh God.
It's a normal sound. Don't worry, it's normal. Yay, we're off. Woo! We're off. And we're on the highway. There's some vibrations.
Look at this
I'm getting
speed.
a nice seat massage.
Look at this.
Oh, the optimal speed.
Something's out of balance, but it'll be fine.
I guess we'll find out probably like 6 hours in.
You know, like
nowhere.
when we're in the middle of the mountains in Tennessee.
Well, we're making our first stop to get some food and coffee. Guys, I'm cutting the out, all right? You don't have to stop repeating we had some... That was on purpose, all right? I say a lot. I cut it out a lot. You guys know that, though. God damn it! Gah! We have had some issues, but nothing catastrophic. So honestly, I think the biggest issue is that the suspension's bottoming out in the back.
The real question is, what are you ordering from Dunkin'? That's the real question.
The drive-by-wire system really freaked out there and just kept having an error, so we had to pull over and do a TPS auto set, but I think it's fine now.
In order to alienate a lot of your audience, or not a lot, but a part of your audience, Indiana is probably the only state in the entire United States that is worse than Illinois.
Another failure, so let's start now.
Quite critical at this point.
Yes!
So we stopped and got gas again. That time we got a massive 19.5 miles a gallon. Fastest, comfiest, and most fuel efficient. Boom. No more snow, boys! We are now essentially an hour and a half away. Pretty much had zero issues. It's been super comfortable, super awesome. The Volvo's awesome, guys. Oh, look at it. We're here! Good job, Volvo. Good job, Volvo. Yo, what's up? We made it. How's it going, man? I don't know.
Dude, it's going
Yeah,
good.
it is disgusting. Oh!
Any brew you want. As long as it's a Corona.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's a good welcome.
Yeah. Look at this place. This is awesome, man.
Yeah, this bedroom is unnecessarily large. The doors are original from like 1890.
Oh my gosh, look at this door. That's hilarious.
Yeah, bathtub, shower curtain rod, no shower. You come in here, here's the second bath. Here's my shower, so I have to walk across the house.
the entire house.
But then there's a second bedroom, but it's like as big as like my pinky.
Holy crap, it's huge. Yeah, this is awesome, man. And with that, the Volvo had officially made it to Atlanta, Georgia with pretty much no issues. One problem though, we did lose a hubcap on the last leg of our journey. You know, I was originally planning on cleaning the car and making it look nice for the review and just the car meet and just hanging out. But at this point, with a missing hubcap, we just have to embrace the sleeper shitbox look. Big Turbo Focus ST. Oh, does it make more turbo noises with the big turbo too? I think it does.
It's weird to say, it makes different turbo noises. When you let off of it, it has a much more aggressive, like a shoo choo choo choo, like the most satisfying, visceral noises that a car could possibly make.
What turbo is that?
It's a Garrett GTX 2867 Gen 2.
Oh, 2867 Gen 2. Hell yeah, that's what I want to put on Molly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I love it.
That's awesome. Oh, that's awesome.
Shoot it.
Oh god.
Fuck my clutch. I don't need it.
It's so light and easy. That flat foot shift is awesome. I just spent last shift trying it. Yeah. Well, that was an awesome start to our day. We just took the Big Turbo ST out for a rip. For now, we have to get the Volvo ready for hanging out, cruising around town, and going to a meet tonight. So I want to put the slicks on, I want to fix the clutch, and then in order to actually drive around with the slicks with people in, I have to raise the suspension, so I'll do that. I brought one jack stand, but I need 2 jack stands to adjust the height. Look at this thing. I love the design on it. This is T37s on this Pathfinder.
And we do take it off-road, too.
Hell yeah. Complete opposite of the Focus.
Yeah, complete opposite. Little change of pace here.
Yeah.
So,
We're playing the crew right now, dude.
But the,
Like, modifying.
yeah, we're playing the Crew. That's awesome. Dude, the Crew is like what started me. That was like my first big series. How you like that magazine? Best magazine out there.
I'm reading books.
Right?
Books.
I'm learning
You're learning.
about cars.
Knowledge.
Our parts, knowledge.
Gotta sound like it's a rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on?
So the car's on the ground, ready to drive. Suspension is raised, slicks are on. We actually found a lot of stuff wrong with the clutch. One of the bolts had almost totally fell off of the clutch pedal, so it was drooping a lot. And that's why it was so hard to get into gear sometimes, because the clutch wasn't fully disengaging.
Dude. What the heck is this thing? It's just a Volvo. It's just a Volvo. No big deal. That's insane. I wonder if it spits flames. Whoa! Wait, I don't. I can't.
That was good.
I can't compute.
It's so much better with the new shifter.
I can't. My mind can't compute. It's like my body knows it's not supposed to do that. My brain can't comprehend it. Oh! No!
Oh my
that's
god.
so sick.
Even like driving, I'm like holy
Oh,
shit.
dude, and like the suspension,
I know.
you can kind of feel it floating
Yeah,
around, and I
that's
was
the
like,
sketcy part.
I don't know if we're spinning,
I know.
if we're dying, I
No,
don't know
it's
if I'm
just-
already dead. What's going on? Let's go! Whoa! No! Whoa! You know what's weird? So I don't know if it's just me, but I get into this thing where like you see people build cars on YouTube, right? But like you don't acknowledge that they're real. It's
Right.
just like on a screen, right?
Yeah.
So you're like, there's no way that car is like an actual car.
Yeah.
No, this shit's real, dude. This is like a real Volvo that he really built, that is really on the road, that I'm really riding in right now.
And we really just decided to drive it 1,000 miles.
Yes. Like this is not some, like it's not a movie. Like
I know.
it was not takes. You really did this.
So that rip went really, really well. I did a data log at the end of that drive, and it's down 2 pounds of boost with the warmer temperature out here. So it's definitely down on almost 100 horsepower, maybe not quite 100, but it's down on a good amount of power, and it was still ripping. Unfortunately, as some of you guys had expected, the intercooler is not nearly as efficient out here. On a longer pole, after ripping it, it was getting up to 120 degrees, which is pretty warm for intake temps, so I'm not gonna turn the boost up. It's unfortunate that I can't beef up the intercooler system like here.
No.
Yeah, I want more power.
Yo, what if we just remove the headlight?
No, that's not gonna do anything. So this is where we're having our car meet. The owner of this restaurant right over here is a huge car guy. This is his car over here. Let me show you this beast. 300 horsepower. 300 horsepower.
Oh shit, I just realized it's on
This thing's
slicks.
crazy. Yeah, it's definitely on slicks. Holy crap.
Oh,
Man, this
like
thing is
that.
so clean.
Yeah.
That's crazy. John, goals?
Goals.
Yeah, these are super goals. Like, this thing is super clean. Can't explain how nice it is just to be able to cruise with the boys in our cars,
Right?
listen to some
How was that
tunes.
sunset on the way over?
I know, it was amazing. A picture of margarita.
Looks much smaller than camera.
So we've decided to make big moves tomorrow.
Huge moves.
We're going to
Biggest.
drive down to Summit.
Summit Racing.
Because it's only an hour away, so we can
Hour.
drive down to Summit Racing. We're gonna buy a water meth injection kit.
Water meth injection kit.
And then we can install it, and turn up the boost
Turn that shit up
before David reviews the car.
before David reviews the car.
So tomorrow's gonna be an intense day, but we're gonna get the Volvo back to maybe even more than 650 wheel horsepower.
This is-
Might as well just turn it up to 10 pounds instead of
10
9,
pounds.
right?
Let's go. 10 pounds. Turn that shit
This
up.
is another one of those situations where it's like, that doesn't happen in real life. No, this is totally happening.
Yeah, we were like sitting there like, man, I don't want David to review the car on minus 100 horsepower.
Right.
You know what? Let's just go down to Summit tomorrow, buy an
How
expensive meth
convenient is
kit.
it that Summit is only
An hour
40
away.
minutes away? Like,
Yeah. We just had an amazing dinner here at El Centinela. Let's go hang out with some of you guys. Nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
Mikey.
Mikey? Nice to meet you, man. Yeah. Whose car is this? This stock Volvo. Why is it here? Cheers. I probably should have done that.
yeah, that was so sick!
John missed out big time.
That's crazy,
Dude,
dude.
that thing was insane.
That's crazy. That car/fan meet was freaking awesome. It was really awesome getting to meet all of you guys, hang out. The way the Volvo shot flames was ridiculous. That was so crazy.
Dude, my like I was standing in front of it, and then all of a sudden I saw everybody light up orange, and I was like, no way!
I was scared because I revved it, and then I saw like a flash of orange. I was like, I just blew up my car. But now we are going to do some 1320 style stuff.
How did we end up here?
I don't know. Someone's like, do you want to go watch some drag racing? And as soon as I got here,
Immediately.
you want to do a run?
You want to go for a hit?
I can hit boost cut or something. But holy shit, it launched hard! It launched hard! Holy shit! That was awesome!
You gotta do it again.
Yeah, well, I have to figure out what happened. Oh no, what have I gotten myself?
Volvo versus Audi.
This thing's so easy to launch. He just got smoked.
Oh my god!
I got in second and started breaking up. I'm like, no, 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 no. And then, wow.
He did it! He fucking did it! Dude.
That was so sick.
Dude, hell yeah.
Oh shit, we got cops, 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 cops!
Y'all legit close up?
Close the valve?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, all right, pull in here.
car.
You're just a Volvo, dude.
I know, I know.
You're a fucking Volvo, dude. Just do it.
Yeah.
Everyone's just like, fuck it, I'm gone. Everyone just started running.
Look at, there's nobody.
Dude, 30 seconds ago, there were people all over the place.
Walked off.
Caleb
walked off.
We're like living the Fast and Furious right
Yeah.
now. This is fucking insane.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just in this parking lot, dude. Everyone dipped, bro. They were just running.
That's hilarious. I put the clutch in and like just coasted by.
Right up there. Are they freaking out?
Who?
Like the people once we fucking won?
It was fucking awesome, dude. It was literally like we were in Fast and Furious. It was like cops, cops, and everyone just dipped. Oh shit.
Well, ladies and gents, after a long drive home from Mexico, we made it back to Hunter's place. Rocking an awesome Elevate Outfitters hoodie. Check them out if you're ever in the Monroe, Georgia area. Last night was freaking crazy. The craziest thing is that we did not intend for any of that to happen. Hunter's friend knew somebody that was going out, and then I wanted to do a test hit just to see how the car did, and then a car lined up against me, and then we went, and then you know what happened. And even though it was well, let's just say street racing is also illegal in Mexico. It was worth it. It was worth the risk. We got home totally fine. And as cliche as it sounds, you only live once. And I want to do my best to just live my life to the fullest, which is why we're out here on this trip, just having a great time and doing things like we did last night. Either way, that is going to be it for this video. In the next video, we are going to install a meth injection kit on the Volvo. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.